Hello everyone and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Chioma. Our topic for today is Ndi Nze na Ozo. We want to look at this Ndi Nze na Ozo. Who is Ndi Nze na Ozo in Igbo land? We often hear about Ndi Nze na Ozo. Who are these people? Onye bụ Ndi Nze na Ozo? Ha bụ ndị na-eji omenala na ọfọ obodo ihu na a na-ekpe ikpe ziri ezi nakwa ihu na aka mmadụ niile kwụ ọtọ. So these people are the people that use our culture and our traditions in our communities to see that people get justice and to see that everybody's hand is upright. They are all about justice and uprightness of the community, of the village. They make sure that everybody gets what is due to them. Tupu anabata mmadụ n'otu a, ọ ga-abụ onye amamihe ha na-akpụ n'ala site n'ihe ọ hụrụla na ihe ọ gabigara. So before you are inducted into this or initiated into this group, this authority, you must be someone of great wisdom. You must be someone that has wisdom because of the things that you have gone through or because of the things that you have seen. So you must be advanced in age, not very advanced, but you must have traveled. You must have seen things. You must have seen the world before you are being inducted or initiated into this group. Ndị Nze na Ozo bụ ndị kachasị n'obodo. Ha bụ ndị ikpe ikpeazụ okwu na-agakwu. So they are the highest authority in Igbo land. They are just the highest authority. So whenever, we talked about the Umunna and the Umuada. If the Umuada have done something, they have treated an issue and they couldn't do it very well, they take it to the Umunna. If the Umunna have tried their best and they can't do it, they take it to the Ndi Nze na Ozo. So these Ndi Nze na Ozo are the highest authority that any case, any problem goes to in Igbo land. Ya mere, o ji abụ ụmụ nwoke garala ọgụ n'agha mgbe mbụ, merie n'agha ma oge ụfọdụ jiri okpokoro isi mmadụ lọta. So before you are being initiated into this group, in the olden days, it's mostly those that have gone for war, warriors that have gone for war and conquered, that are being given this title. But now they give it to people that have really helped to uphold justice, people that have really helped to safeguard the community, to safeguard the village. Those are the people that have been given that the authority or are being initiated into this group. A na-akwanyere ha ugwu pụrụ iche n'ala Igbo, ebe ndị nọ n'otu ndị Nze na Ozo na-eyi ugo n'okpu ha igosi na ha bụ ndị eji eme ọnụ n'obodo, maka na ugo bụ nnụnụ kachasị mma n'ala Igbo. So these people, they wear a cap, they wear a red cap that has the feathers of an eagle on it. We all know that an eagle is a powerful bird that can fly far and fast and is a very beautiful bird. So in Igbo land, an eagle is being regarded, the Igbo people regard eagles very well as a very beautiful bird and a very powerful bird. Akwa ọcha ha na-eyi na-egosi ndị dị ọcha n'obi nakwa n'agwa nakwa n'ikpe ikpe ziri ezi. So the white clothes they wear show that they are pure in heart, pure in their behavior, and pure in giving. They give the best justice, they give the right justice. Okpu mmemme ha na-ekpu na-egosi na site n'ahụhụ ha nakwa ọbara ha mefuru n'agha ka ndị obodo ji aga n'ihu. So their red caps shows that it was through their suffering and the blood that they've shed for the community or for the village that the village or the community is going forward. Ha bụ ndị na-ekwu na-ekwucha okwu. Ha bụ ndị ekwucha ọgwụ n'okwu niile gbasara obodo. So they are the last resort for justice in Igbo land. Ndị nze karịrị ndị ọzọ n'ọkwa. So we have ndị nze and ndị ọzọ. So the nze is one and the ọzọ is the second one. The nze people are higher. The rank of the nze is higher than that of the ọzọ. So that is all about ndị nze and ọzọ. We've known about their clothes, what it represents, their cap, the feathers of their cap. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and do have a nice night.